Hey everybody, welcome to your new D period science class, or your new class. I guess it's not just going to be D, it's going to be everybody. So today is a time to do a little asynchronous lesson, and that means you are going to work on this independently and do your best. So there's a couple of pieces to it. We're going to remind ourselves that a compound is this chemical formula that has more than one atom in it. There's a couple of examples. There's a quick, simple video on EdPuzzle that I'd like you to watch that sort of talks about the cool way that when atoms combine, they change properties. And then your job is to become an expert on one more complicated compound. So you'll find a list here of all the different compounds that you could choose from. You will then, you will then basically use your internet. So you use the power of the internet to find some information that's going to populate the following slides. So you're going to basically answer these questions about each of them, and you'll see there's a set of questions here that you'll go through. And I don't want to go through all those because I think the best thing to do is for you to look at the sample slides. So this is the sample slide that I did. It's called nitroglycerin, and it basically, I went through and I did all the steps that you're going to do for your compound, okay? And so if you click through the last slides in the deck, you will see an example of how it got answered, okay? So I would recommend you do that after you do the little EdPuzzle thing. So again, you're going to pick your own compound from this list, and then you're going to answer a set of questions doing your own little web research. When you're finished with that, you're done for today. You'll after you turn it in, okay? So do me a favor, there'll be some pictures here you'll drag over and so forth onto the title slide. That way I'll know you've opened it. And then your job is to do this little EdPuzzle, but then answer all the questions about the video or about your compound that you can find. We will not be around after the beginning of class to help you because this is our async day and we're getting the classroom ready for you, or some of you at least, to come back and join us. So anyway, so that's the story. You can always text me if you run into a jam and I might be able to help you, but mostly your job is to try to do what you can on this and get this done in the 80 minutes. Good luck and have some fun.